Living in my Jeep, I try to make things simple for me. To keep my solar generator powered, I would always have to pull these huge, portable solar panels out and set them up every couple of days. So every couple of days, I'd have to stay put at my campsite while they were charging my Jackery, and I'd have to hope that it would also be a sunny day. It was time for me to figure out a different system for this. So, I drove up to Solar Bill in Quartzsite to see if it was possible to get solar installed on my Jeep, and if it would be better than these portable panels. Okay guys, so I'm pretty excited for this video right here. Guess what I'm getting done? Yes, my Jeep is in there, and this is not an auto shop, a 4x4 shop. I'm not getting like mechanical work done on my Jeep or adding, well, I guess I am adding a modification some way. So I'm actually getting solar panels installed on top of my Jeep. I'm getting two 100-watt solar panels installed on the back part of my Jeep. So I have solar generators and I do have portable solar panels, but my portable solar panels are so heavy and they're a pain in the butt to get out of my Jeep all the time and put them back in. And then also, because I'm using the freezer on my refrigerator inside my Jeep, that's taken a lot of power. So now I'm having to pull my solar panels out again every 2 to 3 days. And I'm tired of doing that. So I did a lot of research, talked to some people. I came up here to Solar Bill in Quartzsite and talked to the owners here and the people that work here, and it's a smart decision for me to get the solar panels. So basically my solar panels that they're installing on top will permanently be plugged into my big solar generator that I have. So meaning it's going to be charging it all the time. So that's going to make it so much easier for me. So yeah, and I have to say, I was referred by a couple of people to come here to Solar Bill, and I want to say they are so nice and amazing and very helpful on everything. So yeah, I'm excited. So we did have to move my hard cases up like just a couple of inches, and then the solar is going to go back there, which would be good for when I'm driving. The hard cases will be protecting that. So these are my solar panels right here. So they're trying to get them together right now, and they're actually going to add something to it where they'll be able to tilt up, so they're not just always laying flat. So whenever I'm sitting still, like at my campsite or something, I can just tilt the solar panels up, and obviously it'll get more sun that way. But look at them. I'm so excited. I feel like I'm a little kid in a candy store right now. Okay, so while we're waiting to get the solar done, I'm going to interview you for, come back up here. Come here. Come on, up. I'm going to interview this pretty little girl right here. So, little one, what'd you think? What'd you think? Are you excited to get solar on top of our home? She's like, I really don't care. I wish you would go get me some of those treats that are inside that home. Are you excited to see the other doggies? Yeah? What do you think? Do you think you're the cutest dog in the whole world? Huh? Okay. Interview over. All right. Does everybody see her Mickey Mouse sweater? Mickey Mouse turtleneck? It's so cute. Okay. All right. Well, it was great talking to you. Till next time. So I just happened to stumble upon this right here, meaning I accidentally just found it. So I didn't know if this was like just a funny little decoration thing, but it's right behind solar bills. And I asked one of the workers there, I'm like, what's the story with that over there? So apparently this was built like in the 1950s, he said, he thinks. And they actually used to keep prisoners in here. And the person that actually built this for the prisoners, he was actually the first person to stay inside of it. But I guess there's like a story, because we all know that it gets really hot out here in Quartzsite. So they would keep prisoners in there during the summertime also, and it gets like in the 120s out here. So it's cute. I don't know if that's the correct story or anything, so if any locals are watching, please don't be mean to me in my comments if I got that story wrong. It was just what I was told, and I tried to search it on Google and I couldn't find anything for it. So but anyways, the story sounds good. I mean, look at this guy right here. I mean, he even looks like he could have been here during the summertime. His face is melting. It's actually creepy looking. One of the things I really like about this place is they're dog friendly. So they have doggies running around everywhere. Well, not everywhere. There's like a couple of dogs. Look, little one doesn't know what to think about something 5 times her size. What is it, little one? She's like, you sure are a lot bigger than me. Look at the cute doggies. So it was like, don't be sneaking up on me. Alright guys, so I had to introduce you guys to one of the owners of Solar Bill. So this guy right here, this guy's name is Gus, and he is one of the owners of this place. So I'm just going to do a small, little short, little sweet little interview because I really wanted you guys to at least meet one of the owners because they're such amazing people, and like I said, they're so nice. So just a quick question, how long have you guys been around?
We've been around, Solar Bill's been around since 1977. Of course, we are the new owners of Solar Bills. Me and my wife purchased this from Bill himself 3 years ago. So this January is our third year running it. So fortunately for us, Quartzsite welcomed us with open arms, and we love it here.
I mean, I have to say, like, I was highly recommended by multiple people to come to you guys. So
appreciate that.
I am so happy that I did. You guys not only do motorhomes, RVs, but obviously vehicles, yes. Homes. You guys do homes also?
No, we do not. We're not residential solar. We stick solely to RV lifestyle.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh,
that's our specialty.
That's awesome.
Yes.
And then, you know, what they did for me today actually was a custom-made job, because the way that everything was tilted up, you know, the solar panels were tilt up. That was a custom job. So they also do custom jobs for vehicles and RVs and stuff.
Yes.
Anything else you want to say?
Oh, yes. Right here, we tend to not just cater to the customer and take care of the customer while you're here in our shop, and we're installing your product on your vehicle or on your RV. Also, we also do troubleshooting. If you have any kind of issues over the phone, we can walk you through. Maybe it's usually just a push of a button. The customer sees a pretty little bright light and starts pushing buttons and takes it out of from lithium batteries. That's the biggest calls that we get. Hey, I installed lithium batteries, now it's not charging my lithium batteries. Check your solar charge controller and it says AGM batteries. They always change it back to AGM batteries. Why? I do not know, but we walk them through via the phone how to put it back to lithium batteries, and we tell them, okay, don't touch the lights no more. But that's as simple as that. And you don't need to come, because we understand that people come to Quartzsite to come and visit and have fun. Their home is somewhere else in the country.
That's so awesome that you guys will take the phone calls and everything too, and take the time for that, because a lot of places won't do that. So
well, we consider your customers for quite a while, you know.
Yeah.
And repeat customers means a lot to us.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yes.
All right, well, thank you so much. I'm so excited. I cannot wait till the solar starts charging everything, and I'm out there in the middle of nowhere and don't have to pull out my portable solar panels anymore. I'm getting rid of those darn things now. So thank you. I appreciate it. And I will definitely see you next year.
Yes. Yes, I hope to see you here next year.
I mean, you definitely know they're pretty good when, look how packed they are. And they were saying this is like this all the time.